Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix one of the most common Linux boot issues, the EFI partition not mounting correctly because of a wrong UUID inside the fstab file. I actually discovered this issue while checking system logs using the command shown in the screen. It's journalctl-xb. I started drilling down into the boot errors to figure out what was failing during startup. To narrow things down further, I used the command journalctl-xb and then just gripped it with local-fs and then mount, and in here I found the error dependency failed for boot-efi.mount / boot-efi, and the error a start job for unit boot EFI mount has failed. So those errors usually indicate that Linux cannot find or mount the EFI partition correctly. This problem commonly happens after reinstalling Linux, changing SSDs or cloning drives, dual boot modifications, or manually editing partitions. If you are seeing boot errors, mount failures, or problem with boot EFI, this video will help you fix it easily. So to keep this short, Linux usually uses something called a UUID. So the problem is that if your EFI partition changes, the UUID also changes, but your fstab file may still contain the old UUID. So during boot, Linux tries to mount a partition that no longer exists. That causes EFI mounting errors. So don't worry, the fix is really simple and it's really easy. To fix that, first we need to find out the new partition UUID. So first we need to find the EFI partition. So to do that, we need to list all the partition. So we can do that by sudo fdisk-l. So as this is non-scrollable, I'll just filter it down to get the EFI list only. And that is exactly what we're looking for. So our EFI partition is mounted on /deb/sta1. So we need to find out the UUID, the current UUID of that partition. So we can do that through blkid and then put the partition sta1. So this will give you the unique UUID. So in my case, it's written here. Now the next process is that we need to edit the fstab table. So to do that, we just need to run sudo nano /etc/fstab. So this will bring up that fstab file, and then right there we have the /boot/efi, and then it is mounted to UUID that. So that is totally wrong than what we have. So we just need to delete the existing UUID, then we just need to put the current UUID. Press escape, then Ctrl X, then Ctrl Y, then press enter. Double check that if that has been saved, which is good. Then Ctrl X, then we just need to reboot. So if this is not doing anything, just hard press the power button and then start again. That looks promising. And that's it, guys. Your EFI mounting issue should now be fixed. If this video helped you in any way, please leave a like and subscribe. I also make beginner friendly Linux troubleshooting videos and many other videos as well. So if you enjoy practical fixes and explanations, consider supporting the channel. If you have questions, leave them in the comments below and I'll try to help. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.